Good morning. This is 9:55 on the seventh day of trading, April 22nd. So this is a little late for my breakdown. So I'll just come here to the Discord real quick and show you all what I meant, what I said earlier today. So at that point in time, I sent this at 7:48 in the morning, and then I ended up having to go to the vet with my dog, and I just got back home. He's fine. So here's what I saw then. I saw then that uh, the market had opened with a massive gap. And like I said, within 54% of the time, that would get filled within the day. Step within 75% of the time, it will get closed within 3 days. So we're seeing what we're seeing, but what I'm seeing is this. We have not traded through previous day's close yet, so I'm expecting price to make its way back down there eventually. And at that point in time, we were trading around the previous week's close. And so pretty much I was expecting to see some sort of projection over there and something that would give me something to come back down to this here 4 hour. And once price closed under that 4 hour, I knew that I'd be able to capitalize on the downward movement, either to this here previous day gap, or at least to this here's support level. Not just that, but also on the daily, I saw that there was a CRT pattern, which means that this here candle, that this we had this pattern right here, this massive bullish candle, and then 2 days later it came down, it whipped the top, and it came and closed back inside, and it also closed back inside of the inside candle that we had over here. So we have a lot of indication that the market may want to continue its way downward, at least to the bottom of that range from a couple of days ago. It's pretty much what I'm seeing. The price making its way back up here or simply over to the top of that previous inside candle range. Like I said, I wanted to close under that 4 hour. If it closes down under that 4 hour, I am set to go. But if it makes it all the way up there, I just need some indication that it's going to start coming back down. If not, I may not take a trade today. So let's see where we're at right now on the actual market. So the market has had a lot of, I guess, for lack of a better term, action here around the 15-minute, somewhere over by the weekly's previous close. And like I said, I'm trying to see whether price is going to want to make its way up here and bring its way back down. Um, I am thinking about possibly trading the orb on its way up and then seeing where it comes while coming back down. I am not sure. I am okay with making two trades since yesterday I actually wound up in profit because of it. Um, but I'd still rather just take the one. So let's see what's going to happen. Honestly, if it makes it the way up there, I need some serious indication the price may be coming back down before deciding to make anything else. So as of right now, this is where we're at. Price is definitely following along the lines of what like we're seeing here that this previous candle also made an inside candle, and it did already take out the top and then made its way back to the bottom. So that is what it is. Like I said, it doesn't happen all the time, but it happens often enough to make notice. Uh, So here in the 4 hour, we saw this massive drop. So let's count this here area as our current level of supply. Since this here, it didn't get fully traded through yesterday, but it did get touched. So we're gonna keep that there for now. But this is the area that we want to pay attention to. Let's see if we can make that a little more. Yeah, yeah, I'd say that that would be the area that we want to look at for the possible sell. Like I said, we need some strong indications that may be the case. We'll see what happens. Right now, price is making its way up there very nicely. Um, it is currently 10 o'clock in the morning, so the new 1 hour candle opened. We had a massive bullish engulfing up here. Um, here's what I want to put into perspective. Here we had, so let's make it down here because it's a much further area. We have a structure shift for markets to want to come down. So right now we may just be experiencing a retracement. And yeah, let's see what happens. In the meantime, I'm gonna leave you guys with some music. I'm gonna make me a little some tea before getting ready for work, and let's keep trading, see what happens. of April today. So let's go over what happened yesterday. You all saw me coming into a trade at some point, and someone took a skip end of it. You guys saw me coming in, and it moved massively in my favor. Uh, but then, it came up here. I decided to close that at lost 50 bucks. What it is. But then, because he gave me a much better entry from that very first one that we had saw me take and it closed. The price came in a couple of times, but it just continued to consolidate in this area for a hot minute there before finally giving me what I needed. After everything was said and done, it came down and gave me the 2 to 1, and I didn't make about 200 bucks yesterday, which is good. So let's see what happens today. Let's see how we can do it.